Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ryan Michelle, and on today's video I will be sharing with you my fall house tour. We are a military family and we live in an on-base military house. In this video I will be sharing with you the areas that I decorated for fall. I did not decorate my entire house, but these are some of the main areas that I decorated. So let me know in the comment section, what was your favorite part? What was your favorite area? If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have so much planned for the month of October. And I hope you guys enjoy. I will stop talking and let's get to it. So guys, the base that we live on is Fort Lee, and my house is the Marigold floor plan. So I will not be able to tell you every exact price of every piece of decor, but if you have any questions, please ask me in the comments and I will be able to tell you. Also, I will try to link as much as I can on my Amazon storefront, so that link will also be in my bio. But the bench on my porch is from Lowe's, and the black side table is from Target. The wreath is from Burlington. The doormat is from Kirkland's, and the buffalo print is actually a rug, and I bought that from Hobby Lobby. So moving on to the front room of my house, this is like the entryway, and this is my entryway table. This table was purchased from Home Goods about 2 years ago, and I think I paid around $150 for it. The lamp was also from Home Goods. The vase was from Marshall's, and the yellow and white pumpkins were from Marshall's. The blessed sign, I picked that up from Burlington, and the plants are also from Marshall's. So this is still the same room. This couch was from Ashley's Furniture. The acorn pillow and the wreath pillow was a pick from Amazon. Y'all, I would not recommend these pillows because they do not look like the picture on the website. I don't like the pillows. The gray pillows were from Marshall's, and the shelves are from Home Goods. The stacked books are a find from Burlington. This wooden bowl is located on my TV stand. The mini pumpkins are from Marshall's, and the bowl I picked up from Ross. So we are still in the front room. This is actually the wall behind my front door, and everything here I picked up from different places. So let me know if it's something that you really like. I will let you know where I got it from. The stack books is a DIY that I made myself, all from Dollar Tree. That video is on my channel as well. So moving on to the kitchen, the marble circle tray is from Ross. The My Cup Runneth Over sign is from Hobby Lobby. The tray that I'm using my dish soap and spray on is from Target. So the flip stir whisk utensil holder is from Kirkland's. The 3 pumpkins are from Home Goods. The give thanks sign is from Home Goods. And I just added the garland at the top. And I think that garland was from Ross, but I've had it so many years, I don't know. I just use it over and over again. I don't throw it away. So this is how I decorated my tier tray this year. Very simple, white pumpkins. I'm in love with how this tier tray turned out. Pumpkin spice candle is from Marshall's. The mini pumpkins are from Marshall's. The Hello Pumpkin was from Marshall's. Everything here is probably from Marshall's, except for that small coffee cup. That's from Hobby Lobby. And the tiered stand was from Michael's. So moving on to the dining area, my table is from Ashley's Furniture. The floral picks are from Target. The vase was a Facebook Market pickup. And the tray was from Marshall's. My placemats are from Marshall's. And the wall decor is from Target. This wall shelf is from Home Goods. The wooden pumpkins are from Marshall's. The welcome friend sign is from Hobby Lobby, as well as the bless sign. So in the future, I will also be doing a more detailed home tour of every space and room of my home. So make sure you are subscribed. So now we are moving to the other living room in the house. My TV console is from Big Lots. We have a projector screen, so that is why TV is not up there. And the orange pillows are from Marshall's, as well as the blanket. Here I have all of my pumpkins on my TV console, and I just went pumpkin crazy this year. So the pumpkins are from everywhere: Dollar Tree, Target Dollar Spot, and Hobby Lobby, I think. And the floral arrangement is from Burlington. Now moving on to the half bath downstairs, I just added a few decor pieces in here, and I kind of made it fun for the kids, nice and orange and bright. And the bigger pumpkin in the back is from Target Dollar Spot from a few years ago. The Bella Mason jar is from Dollar General. The Grateful Hearts Gather Here sign is from Walmart. Now moving on to the master bedroom, I just added an orange pillow, and my bed is from Ashley's Furniture. My nightstands were from Facebook Market. My lamps are from Home Goods. So moving on to the master's bathroom, the caramel pumpkin candle is from Marshall's. The leaf is from Hobby Lobby. The orange floor arrangement, the tray, the soap dispensers are all from Burlington. The small pumpkins are from Dollar Tree. I really hope you enjoyed my house tour of my military on base house, and I really look forward to talking with you in the comment section. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, turn your notification bell on if it's not already on, and subscribe to my channel and join my family. And I will see you guys back on my next video.